What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see by today's video, we got packages coming in. We got the packs coming in, or the packs already in, I should say. Not coming in, the packs already in, as y'all can see by the intro. But now the packs coming in, man. They in or whatever, man. So we're gonna have an unboxing video and bring y'all along the way every single thing, every single piece. So man, without further ado, we're gonna get into just opening these boxes, cause it's 6 boxes, man, some big boxes. So we're gonna get into opening these boxes and I'm gonna talk about all that. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking back in. Checking in. So I'm waiting on my boy Brady to get back to the house. So I don't know what time gonna get back. So before the sun go down, we're gonna go ahead and open these boxes. Cause I know y'all been waiting on this anyway. Y'all saw some good news throughout this vlog anyway. We got John Jones back. Got him back covered up. We gonna see what's in the box. I don't even need that one. We just open one of each. That's what we'll do. Some of y'all already probably know, cause y'all done seen these boxes before. Multiple videos. Cause y'all know I always be buying these wheels and stuff. But what we got here is a 10-inch wheel. Yes, indeed. We got a 10-inch wheel right here in black. Get this off here. So if we got a 10-inch wheel, y'all probably know what's in the other box. So this is what we got right here. 10-inch wheel. Y'all know me, I gotta go buy some valve stands. I need to go to the parts store, get them today. Put them in the box, cause I be forgetting about them. But we got the stars. These are Jegs wheels. Man, Jegs, man, look, if y'all see this video, y'all gotta start rocking with me, man. I promote y'all. I be sending y'all a lot of business. That's facts. I send y'all a lot of business. Jegs, y'all rock me. I'm gonna put this clip on Instagram. Jegs, y'all need to get with me, man. I'm putting a lot of people on y'all wheels. For real. Y'all know that too, Brown Coat Gang. Putting everybody on Jag wheels. But anyway, these Jegs, Big 5. Cause the racing wheels, when it comes to racing wheels, the selection real limited when you got a Big 5 look pattern, which is what Dolo got. These are for Dolo, 10 inches wide. The back spacing you need for box Chevy. I'm gonna do a separate video on this too, cause I want to title it for a box Chevy. But I'm gonna throw it out there though. You need a 5.5 inch back spacing or a 5 inch, which is an oddball kind of wheel. But if you can get a 5 inch back spacing, they'll work. You don't have to cut. I done had 10-inch wheels on box Chevys before. On big meats, I had a 10-inch wheel. But 5.5 inch back spacing right here, it'll fit. Clear the frame, everything. So we got a 10-inch wheel, black, like I said, polished lip, all of that. Got 2 of these. I'm not getting none for the front. I'm not gonna get none for the front. I'm not getting no front runners for, well, at least right now I'm saying I'm not getting no front runner. Y'all know me. My mind will change, man. I just mess around. I mess around and just. Well, maybe I did get some front runners. Who knows, y'all? Hey, man, who knows? I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, let me put this back. These are Jegs brand, like I said. Jegs brand, man. I love their wheels. They affordable. And when you ain't trying to race, hey man, get a Jag. I mean, whenever I decide to really do big meets and put the real deal, the most killer motor I ever built in my life, really. When I really do that, then I'm gonna get some well reels. They are lighter. I can't say that. I don't weigh them. These Jets, they aluminum. It's aluminum wheel, but the racing wheels, or the higher company billet specialties and stuff like that, they are lighter wheels. Like you can pick them up and tell. I don't know. They look better too. They're just what it is. They look better. But I love Jed's wheels and stuff, man. Like, it's just a good wheel to buy. It's affordable. They get the job done. I done had many of their wheels now. Every time I do another car and I get wheels, I try different ones, their rims out. And I wanted the stars, the slim 5-star wheel, but they didn't make them in big 5 little shit patterns. So Jed's, listen, y'all need to start making big 5 little patterns, man. Box Chevys, bubble Caprices. People race those cars too. It's crazy. People don't make a lot of, companies don't make a lot of stuff for them. People race those, man, like trucks. I mean, the higher end companies do, but when you come to like a budget racing wheel like this, they don't make a lot of, the selection real limited to 5 little wheels, big 5. So here go to box number 2, which y'all probably know what these is too. More wheels, yes indeed. More wheels. Like, put that in here like that. Bust this out. See, man, we should have did a separate video for this. This unboxing video. Should have split this up, but y'all see, I wanted these wheels for Dolo. I wanted these wheels for Dolo, man. I want to buy the front end back. I love the way these look, but they didn't have them in 5x5 pattern. But these are the front wheels for the Cutlass. I went with a 15, so I can end up getting a 165 tire or 185 tire. I ain't feel like hassling with them 17. I like the 17, but I ain't feel like, boy, rustling and busting with them 17. I mean, y'all done seen twice, I done put the tires on, got the tire put on a 17 front runner, but I wasn't trying to do it. So I was like, man, I just got the 15 and got the matching wheels for the front, for the Cutlass. So when I do put the Cutlass, and when I put the Cutlass, the slicks on, I got the front runners too, cause that car need all the help it can get. It needs some milk. It need all the help it can get. 290 horsepower, all 290. So every little bit counts. So we got these boxes. Let me bring out one of the big boxes. Let's see, one of the big boxes. Here we go. Get one of these big boys. Big boys. You get one of these big boys. By now, y'all probably already know what these is too. Y'all probably already know. Let me see. What these is. Since I got wheels, you got to have, boom. Got to have these MTs, baby. 275 radials, ready to go. These are for Dolo. So these 275 radials gonna go on that 10-inch wheel right there, that black wheel. So we got these. I don't really use slicks most of the tracks. I'm gonna run it radial prep. Only reason I got slicks for the Cutlass, cause the Cutlass don't make no power. So a slick gonna work on radial prep, or it's gonna work on slick prep. It makes only 290 horsepower. Camaro makes some steam. Dolo gonna make some steam. Y'all know if I bought it. This a pro radio. This a Radio Pro. It say ET Street on it, but like I said before, these are not DOT approved. This is not a street tire. They make radios. And it's called the tread count. The tread count is what determines if a tire is DOT approved and all that. You gotta have a higher tread count. This is not a higher tread count. So when you get the street radios that you can actually drive on, they got more lines in them with tread in them. These are Radio Pros. They work great. That's what I use for the Camaro. That's what's on my Camaro racing wheels, and I like them. Mickey Thompson. Y'all need to get with me too, man. I be sending a lot of people y'all way now. Hey, you know, hey, Get right, Mickey Thompson. So that's what we got, y'all. We got you wanna know how much all this stuff was? So if you wanna buy this stuff yourself, it's like $1,100. It was the back wheels, the front, 2 front runners. So basically you could have got you a whole set of wheels, Jets wheels, and 2 Radio Pros. Then you have to go buy your tires. So $1,100 for this stuff ship, plus buying 2 tires. You got 15-inch front runners. You can get 2 new tires, let's say maybe $70 or something like that, $140. So $1,200, probably $1,200 to $1,300 you get what they call a drag pack. Now that's the new terminology. You get a drag pack though, about $1,200 to $1,300. You want a higher end wheel, you gotta spend more money. But yep, sometime this week I'm going to go ahead and get these mounted, so I won't have to be, cause Dolo coming back fast, and I will be running Dolo on radio sometimes, so I want to have them ready to go. But the only thing is now I got a stack of wheels. I got wheels like crazy over there. We got a whole set of racing wheels for the Cutlass. We got a complete set of racing wheels for John Jones now, and we got 2 back wheels for Dolo. But then we're gonna have some 22s coming in for the Cutlass. We're gonna have some 26s coming in for Dolo. So it like wheels everywhere, man. Like that's why I gotta get this storage ASAP rocking. Wheels everywhere. Then wife gonna have to sell 22 for her car. So, but we don't get rid of our spares. I don't never get rid of my factory rims and tires, man. Like my 9C1 wheels that's on Dolo, not going nowhere, and my Cutlass rallies definitely not going nowhere. So you got 22s and you got sets of racing wheels, then you got your regular. So man, I don't know. I gotta do something about all these tires, man. I got a tire shop, man. It's a whole stack. I'm gonna show y'all. It's a whole stack already. Oh, look at this. Whole stack of wheels, man. Already. So you got the slicks right here for the Cutlass. The front runners. Hold on. It's just a little. Alright. Brighten it up. You got the front runners right here for the Camaro. Then you got the Radio Pros for the Camaro right here. And now we just got these for Dolo to add to the stack, and the front runners to match these right here. So you have a matching set. So yeah, man, I don't know. We finna make it happen though. We got all the tires we need. Now I'm gonna go ahead buying. I'm gonna go ahead buying my rims now. Everybody asking I'm gonna put wheels on the car. Yeah, I'm gonna put wheels on the car, but that's easy. That's the easy part, buying the rims. That ain't nothing. That's just a matter of buying the wheels and then going to Jesse and getting the frame notch with me and wife car. Like that's simple. So that's why I ain't been just interested by the wheel car. I got so many now. So yeah, man. Like I said, I was gonna put that in the vlog, going to holler at Brady, but I probably do that off camera cause this vlog already kind of long, man. I'm gonna drive the car and put it on camera for y'all, but like I said, we wife out shooting the video. We are wrapping up though. I mean, sun going down, but we got some flame coming, y'all. We got some flame coming. We gotta go get these put on. We got to get tires for this, these front runners, valve stems, all that good stuff, and yeah. So that's what it is, y'all. That's what it is. Ooh, we dark back in the garage. Let me line y'all up. But yep, y'all see it, man. John Jones is back. We got Camaro back home, man. Too. The whole wifey car back. Y'all see it cranking up. We going to wifey car going to Lawless Street Cars next week because Jesse gonna fine tune it. I just got off the phone with him, so we going to Lawless. He gonna adjust the carburetor, do the valve, not the valves, adjust the carburetor, check out the vacuum, just get it running A1, man. Make sure the brake running good and all of that. Make sure the heat coming out, just so when she get it back, then she just gonna be able to just crank up and drive and all that. And y'all gonna have to check her video out because she got a lot of big things coming for that car. I'm telling y'all, it's a lot of moves being made, so y'all gonna have to go to her channel and you definitely want to check out what she got going on, what she talking about, cause it's a lot shaking over here. We moving fast, and I said it last year. I said the ball's gonna roll fast. It's gonna be pressure season this year, cause last year our budget trim played around this and that. I had a kind of rough year, but it was alright. Ended with a bang. But now we ain't playing. Cutlass, drivetrain ready. I'm finna go ahead and order the shocks. I was like, man, forget it. I'm going in. Go ahead and order the shocks. I'm about to go to the parts store. That's what I'm doing. I'm finna drive this thing to the parts store. Go ahead and order my coil springs. Then the coil springs will drop the back down. And I'm gonna change the fronts just to be on the safe side. Put new front coil springs. And we're gonna put adjustable drag shocks. Cause the Cutlass need all the help it can get. It needs some milk. It needs some milk, them 290, boy. We're gonna see what we're gonna make them 290 do what it do though. But yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all taking me out every day, man. I got daily vlog coming, cause I got about 3 or 4 recorded bangers. If that many moves been made. So yeah, I'll catch y'all later. I'm out.